Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Gardenscapes game on your iPhone. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. Open your app store to get started and in the search box search for Gardenscape. Once you make a search for the application, look for this one over here from Playrix. Simply tap on the Get button to begin downloading the Gardenscapes application. Now, wait for the application to download and install on your iPhone. Gardenscapes is a popular mobile puzzle game developed by Playrix. It is available for both iOS and Android device, and it has gained a large player base due to its addictive gameplay and charming storylines. Once the application is downloaded and after it is ready for use, you'll be able to see the open button. Tap on it to launch open Gardenscapes on your iPhone. So that's how you can easily download Gardenscapes on your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.